What's up, Beamer fans? Welcome back to the BimmerTech channel. My name's Nathan, and today we have a super exciting video for you because we're going to be unboxing some of these Alpha One speakers by BimmerTech. As you can see, the packaging looks super impressive in itself, but wait till you see the speakers inside. They're even better, and I can't wait to show you how they look. So if you like the channel, be sure to subscribe for more content, and let's go ahead inside and get started. The Alpha One package we're checking out today is really nice. It's the driver's choice. So that means it has all the speakers that are in the front of the car, and that includes 2 low-frequency woofers, 2 tweeters, 2 mid-range speakers, as well as the speaker for the center of your dash. And keep in mind the mid-range speakers are going to differ depending on the model of your BMW. So we've got these 2 super awesome heavy-duty woofers that are going to go under the front seats. All you're going to have to do is move the seat back and unscrew a few things and just replace the stock speakers. And these woofers are actually going to be more powerful as well. They're about 30% more powerful than the regular BMW speakers, depending on the amp and setup you're running. The mid-range speaker that goes in the center of the dash is going to be a little smaller than the mid-range speakers for both doors, and the 3 mounting points are going to be pretty much flush with the top of the speaker itself. Whereas the mid-range door speakers, they're going to be a little bit bigger, and the 3 mounting points are going to be a little offset from the speaker itself. So just be sure to keep that in mind, and you'll be able to easily tell your speakers apart when you're installing them. If you're looking to get some Alpha One speakers, but you want to still run your current amplifier, you can definitely do that, and you're still going to get a lot better sound out of these speakers, even with the stock amplifier. If you want full customizability and even more options, you can opt for a new BimmerTech amplifier, but the speakers are still going to sound great and sound much better than the OEM ones, even with your stock amplifier. If you want to run the Alpha One tweeters in your car as well, but your trim package doesn't have a mounting spot for them, just be sure to tell BimmerTech when you place your order, and they'll be able to give you the BMW part number you'll need so that you can retrofit the tweeters to any model. These Alpha One speakers are really going to be your best bet for out-of-the-box performance speakers for your BMW. They're super easy to install, no cutting wires, no soldering, just pop them in with a few screws and you're going to have super sound quality in your BMW. So if you liked the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more. In the future, we're going to do an install video to help you guys install these speakers at home and show you how easy it really is. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.